Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Shadowing. My name is Vanessa.
And I am Robert. Today we are going to have a simple English conversation about shopping at the supermarket.
This conversation uses easy English and common daily phrases.
Listen carefully and enjoy the conversation.
Robert, I need to go to the supermarket today.
Good idea. I need a few things too.
Great. We can go together after lunch.
That works for me. I like shopping with a friend.
Do you have a shopping list?
Yes, I do. But it is in my head.
That sounds dangerous. Your head may forget the eggs.
That is true. My head is not a safe place for eggs.
Let's write a quick list before we go.
Good idea. A list can save us time.
I need milk, bread, apples, and rice.
I need eggs, bananas, chicken, and coffee.
Coffee is very important for you.
Yes, it is. Coffee helps me become a normal person.
Do we need a shopping bag?
Yes, we do. I have 2 reusable bags.
Perfect. That is better than using plastic bags.
Yes, and they are strong. They can carry many things.
Okay, let's go to the supermarket now.
Great. I hope it is not too crowded.
Here we are. The supermarket looks busy today.
Yes, many people are shopping. Maybe everyone is hungry.
Maybe let's get a cart first.
Good idea. The basket is too small for our list.
This cart is nice, but the wheel is a little funny.
It moves left by itself. It wants to buy snacks.
Then we must be careful. Snacks are very persuasive.
Very true. Chips always look at me.
Let's start with fruit and vegetables.
Yes, fruit is near the door.
The apples look fresh today.
They do. Do you want red apples or green apples?
I want red apples. They are sweet and easy to eat.
Good choice. I like green apples because they are a little sour.
Let's buy 4 red apples and 2 green apples.
That sounds good. We can share them.
Now, bananas. You said you need bananas.
Yes, I did. I eat 1 banana every morning.
These bananas are very yellow. They are ready to eat.
Perfect. I do not want green bananas today.
How many do you want?
Maybe 6? That is enough for the week.
Good. Put them gently in the cart.
I will. Bananas need a soft ride.
Do you need any vegetables?
Maybe some carrots. I can cook them with chicken.
Good idea. Carrots are easy to cook.
And they are not scary. Some vegetables look confusing.
Which vegetables look confusing?
Big green ones. I never know their names.
That is okay. We can learn slowly.
Yes, 1 vegetable at a time.
Let's get some tomatoes too.
Good idea. Tomatoes are good for sandwiches.
Now we need bread. The bakery section is over there.
I can smell fresh bread. That smell is dangerous too.
Everything is dangerous when you are hungry.
That is true. I should not shop when I am hungry.
What kind of bread do you like?
I like soft bread. It is good for breakfast.
I like whole wheat bread. It tastes nice and feels filling.
Let's buy 1 loaf of whole wheat bread.
Okay, it is also on sale today.
Nice. Sale is my favorite supermarket word.
Mine too, but we should still buy only what we need.
Yes, that is smart. Cheap things are not free things.
Exactly. Now we need milk.
The milk is in the cold section. It is near the yogurt.
Do you want regular milk or low-fat milk?
Regular milk is fine for me. I use it with cereal.
I will get low-fat milk. I like it in coffee.
Good. Please check the date on the bottle.
Good reminder. This one is fresh until next week.
Great. Fresh milk is important.
Now, eggs. Please do not forget them.
Thank you. My head almost forgot them already.
See? That is why we need a list.
Yes, the list is the real hero today.
Do you want 6 eggs or 12 eggs?
12 eggs, please. I eat eggs often.
Let's check if any eggs are broken.
Good idea. Broken eggs are a sad surprise.
This box looks good. All eggs are safe.
Great. Put them on top, not under the rice.
Of course, eggs do not like heavy things.
Same. I also do not like heavy things on me.
Now, rice? The rice bags are in this aisle.
There are so many kinds of rice.
Yes, small bags, big bags, white rice, and brown rice.
Which one do you usually buy?
I usually buy a small bag of white rice.
That is easy to carry. Big bags are heavy.
Exactly, I do not want to carry a mountain home.
A rice mountain sounds tasty, but very heavy.
Let's take this small bag. The price is okay.
Good, I can put it at the bottom of the cart.
Now you need chicken. The meat section is over there.
Yes, I want chicken for dinner tonight.
Do you want chicken breast or chicken legs?
Chicken breast, please. It is easy to cook.
This pack looks fresh. It is also not too large.
Good. I do not need too much.
Do you know what you will cook?
Maybe chicken with carrots and rice?
That sounds simple and good.
Simple is best for me. I am not a chef.
You can still cook well. You just need practice.
Thank you. My food is usually okay.
Now let's find coffee for you.
Yes, please. This is an important stop.
There are many kinds of coffee here.
I know. This aisle makes me very happy.
Do you want instant coffee or ground coffee?
Instant coffee is easier. I need easy mornings.
This one is on sale. Do you like this brand?
Yes, I do. It tastes good and the price is nice.
Then put it in the cart.
With pleasure, the coffee has joined the team.
Do we need cereal? You said you use milk with cereal.
Oh, yes. Thank you for remembering.
What kind of cereal do you like?
I like simple cereal. Not too sweet and not too fancy.
This one looks simple. It has no chocolate.
That is fine. I can add banana on top.
Very healthy, your bananas will be busy.
Yes, they have an important job.
Now let's check our list.
Okay, apples, bananas, carrots, tomatoes, and bread.
Milk, eggs, rice, chicken, coffee, and cereal.
That looks complete. Did we miss anything?
Maybe we need soap. I forgot to write it down.
Soap is important. Clean hands are important.
The soap is in the home section.
Let's go there. The cart still wants snacks, I think.
Tell the cart to wait. We are buying soap first.
Okay, cart, be strong and think about soap.
Here is the soap. Do you like lemon smell or fresh smell?
Fresh smell, please. Lemon soap makes me think of cake.
Only you can think about cake while buying soap.
I know, my brain is very food friendly.
Let's buy this fresh soap. It is not too expensive.
Good. Now can we visit the snack aisle?
Maybe, yes, one small snack is okay.
Wonderful. I will be responsible.
Responsible snack shopping sounds very serious.
It is serious. I must choose the right snack.
What do you want? Chips, cookies, or crackers?
Maybe crackers? They are lighter than chips.
Good choice. Crackers are easy to share.
Yes, and they are not too messy.
Put one box in the cart. Only one.
Only one. I can control myself today.
I am proud of you.
Thank you. The snack aisle was difficult.
Now let's go to the checkout.
Good idea. The cart is getting full.
This line is not too long.
Great. We can wait here.
Do you want to pay by card or cash?
I will pay by card. It is easier for me.
I will use cash today. I have small bills.
Nice. Small bills are useful at the store.
Let's put the heavy things first.
Yes, rice and milk can go first.
Eggs and bread should go last.
Right. We must protect the soft things.
Do you have your reusable bags ready?
Yes, I do. I did not forget them.
Great job. Today your head is doing better.
Thank you. The list helped my head a lot.
The total price is a little higher than I thought,
Yes, food costs a lot now.
but we bought useful things.
True. We did not buy too many snacks.
That is a big success.
Yes, please tell my cart that.
Good job, cart. You were very brave.
The cart says thank you.
Let's pack the bags carefully.
I will put rice and milk in this bag.
I will put bread, eggs, and fruit in this bag.
Good. The eggs are safe again?
Now we are ready to go home.
Yes, I feel happy and a little tired.
Shopping can be hard work.
It can, but shopping with a friend is better.
I agree. It is more fun and easier.
And you helped me remember the eggs.
That was very important.
Very important. Breakfast needs eggs.
That's our conversation for today.
Tell us your answer in the comments.
What do you usually buy at the supermarket?
Try to write 1 or 2 simple English sentences.
If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.
Thank you for watching Easy English Shadowing.
See you in the next video.
Goodbye and enjoy your shopping.